Hi, welcome back students. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Schoology and the content that I have provided for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to your search bar and you're going to type in www.schoology.com, which Schoology is spelled Schoollogy and then .com. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to click sign up, but I'm going to click login to log us in. And then you're going to type in your name and your email that I have provided you all. And then so once you get all that set up, it's going to ask for an access code. And this is the access code right here. DSBD-B8-BM-NGB90. Excuse me. And once you do that, you will be accessed into my classroom, which then will take you to a folder which is called Life Cycles and Classifications, since I am reteaching you life cycles and classifications. So we're going to click on this folder, and it's going to provide you all the content that you need along with everything, and I'm going to go over that with you right now. So the first thing you're going to click on is you're going to click on Introduction, and I have given you a little bit of like goals and things that I would like for you to complete, like such as adding all these videos and games. And then with the San Diego live cam, you can pick any animal you like and watch it for 5 minutes. If you have any questions, you can comment on the discussion board that I provided in the module, and I will get back and I will explain that later. So you'll click up on next, and it will take you to the first thing I want you to do, which is BrainPop Jr. For classifying animals. So you will look at that video, watch the video, and then you can take the quiz if you like. You don't have to if you don't want to. And then you can either stay in Schoology, or you can click out by clicking on this thing and it'll take you out. See? Ta-da! Excuse me. And then the next thing you'll do is the animal life cycles video, which you will have to access out of this to get to it. And you just look through the slideshow, and then if you want to test yourself, you're more than welcome to. The tests are just kind of like self-checking yourself if you need if you know the stuff. It's just a good way. You don't have to do them, but I would highly recommend that you do them so you know that you're keeping up with the content and understanding the content. And then the next thing you'll do is you will do life cycle, or learning about the life cycle of a frog, which you will have to click out of this as well. And sometimes they looks like this is blocked from mine. I'll have to download Flash later, but your computer will allow it. And then the next thing you'll do is Frog Cycles Life Game, which you will have to click out of this as well. Just to save time, I'm not gonna click on that. The learn about the life cycle of a butterfly, you can stay in Schoology if you like, or you can scroll out, or you can link out to it. And then the life cycles of a butterfly game, you will also have to link out of that as well. Life cycle of a plant video, it is accessed in Schoology, so you can stay in Schoology, or you can link out of it. And then the next thing is the San Diego live cam, which you will have to link out of this, and I'm going to briefly explain this. So the San Diego live cam is live cams of the San Diego Zoo 24/7. So you can pick any animal you want. So let's say I want to look at penguins. So you can click on penguins and click on view all live cams, and where'd it go? Oh, watch live cam. There we go. There we go. And it's taking a little bit to load, but it'll load. There we go. So there's cute little penguins. And then the next thing is a little Life Cycles Padlet. This is just kind of to keep track of everything that you have learned so far. So you can add comments, like I've put some questions on there for you, and you can respond to them as much as you want. You can respond to other people's responses if you have something you'd like to add, or maybe they didn't put the correct thing, so you can try to fix that in a nice manner. So that's there. You can either you can do it in Schoology or you can link out of it as well. And then this is the last thing, which is the life cycle and classification quiz. It's 5 questions. So whenever you're ready to take that, you can take that. This is just a good way for me to check that you guys fully understood everything and all the content from the videos and the games. And then the final thing is like, this goes along anytime. If you have any questions about what you're learning, or you have want to learn more about a certain topic, you can comment in the discussion below, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. If you have any more questions, like if you have questions like in class and you want me to answer them in class, I can answer them in class as well. So just let me know. Yeah, if you guys, like I said, this will be the module. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know. Thank you.